Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to present business ERP solution. I have added a new module in this business ERP solution. Previously, we don't have income module, so I incorporate complete income module into our current existing product business ERP. If I give you the simple overview, just to build project build successful, I'm just running the project using VS Code. So I'm just using VS Code. You can use Visual Studio based on your preference. So I was talking about like business ERP solution is a complete ASP.NET 6 application, which is support like multiple database, MS SQL Server, MySQL, and PostgreSQL as well. So project is running and using localhost 5001. I'm just going to open my Microsoft Edge browser, localhost 5001. If I going to this port, localhost with the 5001 port number, then definitely we have a login screen. So this is the login screen. Previously, I published a couple of video regarding business ERP solution features. So this is another video on a business ERP solution. In this video, I'm going to present another new module, which is income module. So income module, you can add your regular income into income. So here is the manage income module. If I go to the manage income, then we have an income summary. So I just already added some few demo data. So here we can add the income, and we can add income with income type. So we have a list of income type, and income type is dynamic. You can add new income as well based on your preference, and we have income categories. So you can add income categories as well, and once you are going to create new income, then you can pick which type of category that income actually. So bonus or all category sales, random stuff I just add as a demo data. So I'm just going back to the income summary. So we have like couple of income, which is absolutely test income. So if I'm going to create new income, so let me just add as a new income. So let's say monthly salary, monthly ROI, income type, active income. So category job, income date, you can change the date. Let's say 1st of February, and income amount, let's say 70,000, and description TBD. So save. So income summary created successfully. So we have a like monthly salary in the month of February. So now we can categorize like type. So active income, so you can get you can able to see the active income, also the capital gains. So others income type you can categorize, and also you can filter this income category like job, freelance, overtime. There's overtime. So this is the basic overview of income, how you can add your income, also the search functionality, uh, job. So you can search, also we can edit and delete. I'm just adding another random things so that we can delete it. Let's say interest, let's say freelance. I'm putting some random value, TBD. Save. Okay, so we have used for alert notification. Once you are going to click the save, then there is a pop-up which is like sweet alert, JavaScript open source library. Note that, for just let you know, in this project, we did not use any paid version library. All like front end JavaScript and back end is complete C# controller, And for reporting purpose, we have used plain JavaScript code. So we try to minimize all third-party dependencies so that you can not worry about like additional payments. And if I going to delete, this is the sweet alert pop-up. You can cancel. If you press the cancel button, then it will not be deleted. Yes, maybe some internal errors. I'll check after this video. So we can add and edit, delete like full CRUD operation here, and filter like type and categories. So you have a income types and you have income categories, and we have a like one report for this module, income summary report. If we enter into the income summary report, then we have a like same search function, filter functionality, type and category. Additionally, we have add in this report, which is pretty important for any reportings, like date range, start date and end date. So you can filter start date to end dates by adding the import like start date and end date. So you we can able to get with date trends data. Let's say like I'm just getting data like only February, 19 February, sorry, 19 February start date to also the end date. So we definitely get one row once we just filter using these date trends. So we have one row. Also, you can able to get the total amount and reset. So you can have enter amount some like 155210. So total income. So in this income module, you can, if I go and give you the summary of this module, you can add income with type and category, and the type and category is dynamic value. You can edit at based on your need or purpose. And also we have a one report. That report you can able to get data with same filters, and additionally with date trends, also the sum of total amount. So I will add the report, sorry, printing option here. I just somehow I missed it. So after this video, I will make sure the printing option. So this is the new module of this application. And if I give you the complete overview of business ERP solution, this is the complete uh, web application like full stack development. So ASP.NET MVC and backend database is my MS SQL. Also, this application is support like MySQL and PostgreSQL. In front end, we have used Razor, jQuery, and JavaScript. Most of the like grid part, let's say if I going to sales module invoice, and this grid is jQuery data table designation, searching, sorting, which is pretty faster. We loaded 10 lakh data, and it can handle without any worries. And we have, if I give you the summary, most important overview of this application, like sales module, purchase module, expense module, and we have adjust income module. And you can manage the parcels with branch wise, and you have an item warehouse, and you can able to transfer warehouse to warehouse items, and also the item transfer log notification into the warehouse, and the complete user management is pretty smart, which is role based management. This is the admin user I have logged in. So other user cannot able to see the complete page of this application. Just based on the role, they will access the application. And we have a strong reporting modules like item report, sales report. In the sales report, under couple sub report there, and purchase, expense, and other reports. And item is like barcode wise, you can able to print the barcode as well. So here is the list of barcode. So all are dummy barcode. So in the customer info, you can add the customer details. And we have we have recently added a new report for customer purpose. Like if I go to sales report, that's the customer sales report. So you can able to get the customer wise report like working customer. And if I go to Mr. Bond, don't have any data. Alex is maybe Albert Einstein and Shad. So only working customer we have created the invoice. That's why we can able to get the this customer and with the sum of fellow. And if I create a new invoice just for testing purpose, so that you can able to understand how was the impact. And let's say Shahed, and I'm going to just adding some random items. You can use barcode scanner, it will automatically add the items, which is pretty smarter things. And if you click the full page, then it will automatically adjust a payment. And also the save and print option, it will directly go to the print option. So this is the, you can change the logo and the company details, which is configurable. And invoice is contained the like barcode, a QR code, which have like some secret information. And if I go back to the invoice list, so we have added new invoice, the invoice 19. And just our purpose is able to check that customer report side. So we have just two item wise report, two items, and total amount, sub quantity, item discount, subtotal, and grand total, everything details shares. So reporting, we have tried to cover most of the important reporting and most of the important module like purchase, sales, income, and expense module. And additionally, you have a like human resource module, attendance, employee details, and also the barcode, QR code, printing option, and user management is also there. And if we go to the user management, additionally we have a login history, audit log, enter application, you can check the create and update operation there. And if we go to the audit log, then definitely you can check like operation type, update, and create. So I'm just closing this video. Before closing this video, I want to give you the this application overview again. So we have used entity framework core for database communication. And I already explained like this application is supported multiple database. And this is ASP.NET MVC 6.0. We are planning to update to .NET 8.0. And 8.0 is almost internal. I have updated just one issue I'm facing, like MySQL not supporting like 8.0. So I will separate like for MySQL support 6.0 and PostgreSQL and MSSQL 8.0. And that will be more convenient for the customer ends. Some customer is looking for like a .NET 8.0. And we have a like we recently I have added like a settings option. You can search in the settings option like we have a couple of settings. And if you want to search some settings like email, then you can definitely search also the customer. So you can get to able to that type of fellow. So hopefully you will like this application. If you wanted to interest to and get the entire source code of this application with documentations, and then definitely go to the Code Canyon. Just click go to buy. Then if I click the go to buy, and I'm just going to sign out. So is purchased from Code Canyon. And if you purchase, then what you are going to get entire source code with proper documentation, also the how to run this application, how to connect database, how to migrate database, everything. We have a lots of video we'll share one by one based on your development purpose. So thank you everyone. So hope you like and purchase from the Code Canyon. And if you have any further feedbacks, and if you want to interested to add additional features, you if you want to customize, then always feel free to communicate with us. And thank you again.